Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I make content related to beauty, skincare, makeup. So if you like to get more tips and like beginners friendly makeup looks, then or if you want to get tips on skincare or hair care, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, as I said, I will be creating a no makeup look. I think already intro has been very like बहुत लंबा हो गया. Okay, so let's jump right into the video and see how I created this look. So my first step would be to shave my face. So I will bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what is going on. So guys, for a no makeup look, your base is very important. How you create a perfect base, that is the bang on the key point in getting a no makeup look, because your skin should be very glowy and fresh and dewy and very supple, so that it will give you a within glow to your skin. So yeah, as I said, I will first, like, my first step is to shave my face. Like, this is the razor I'm using. Actually, I have already done a video regarding how to shave your face properly, and I went pretty in depth in that video. So if you have not checked out that video, you can go ahead and check out that video as well after this one. So yeah, I will start by shaving my face. Like, it's a very sharp blade, guys. You have to be very careful. Like, I cut myself that day, like, yeah, this here. So little bit you have to be very careful. Like, this thing is very sharp, and like, start with like this. So I will not go into depth for the shaving. Shaving, as I said, is very important to get a flawless base, because like, it will give a very smooth and clean canvas for your makeup. So for my next step, I will be going and like prepping my skin, because like, after shower I have like done a like very good skincare routine for my. I have applied serum, I have done masking today. So if you guys want me to share my skincare routine, so I will do that with you guys. So yeah, right now I will begin by using Clinique. I absolutely love this moisturizer. Like, if you guys are following me for some time, that you will know that I absolutely love this moisturizer without talking that much. Like, can you see how much I have used? Like, I have to buy it. Like, in my next Nykaa thing, I am adding this in the. This moisturizer, as is, it is a moisture surge. It's like hydrates the skin so beautifully. So guys, as I said, I guess in the previous videos as well, like, whenever you are applying moisturizer, like, massage your face for just 2 minutes. Those 2 minutes, like, will affect your skincare routine and your skin like anything, trust me. As I am an extremely dry skin person, see how it got absorbed into my skin, and like how my skin is glowing. I hope my camera is able to capture. No makeup look doesn't mean that we are not using makeup. We are using makeup, but we are trying to keep it to very minimum. So I am creating this no makeup look without using foundation, just with concealer. And for concealer, I am using LA Girl. Like, you guys know that this is my absolute favorite. So my shade is pure beige. So I will, like, this also I will apply very little and only on the areas where I need. My dark circles are also have come down, like, they have not gone. So like, for this I'm trying the under eye cream by Bella Vita, and it's absolutely amazing, guys. If you have not checked out that video, you guys, like, I think you should try it, because like, it did wonders for my eye. And I just scrubbed my lips. So yeah, they are also like amazing. So I will like suggest you guys, if you are looking for 100% natural like products for the skin, so you guys can check out. Adding where I have discoloration like problem, so I will add little bit here. Can you guys see how little I am adding? You guys can see I have applied concealer on only on these areas, and I will blend the concealer using this beauty blender. It's a PAX beauty blender, and if you guys are looking for a good beauty blender, then you guys can definitely check this one out. I will add the link and everything in the description. And I have already, like, I guess I have already posted a video like a Nykaa haul where I bought this and many other like items like which have become my absolute favorite in only some time. So yeah, I will quickly blend everything. Not so whatever is there on this sponge, you just dab it all over your face, like without taking any extra product. So can you guys see, using just little product, like we have like done our base, and I am happy because I want to keep it very natural. And guys, the make sure the concealer you guys are taking should be of the same skin tone as your like the concealer should be of same skin tone of your skin, because if you are taking like a brighter shade, then it will look very white and very chalky, and it will not look good, because we are not using foundation and we are just using the concealer to create a base. Next step, I'm setting my face, because like I will not use any more like foundation or concealer, so like I want to keep it very minimum. So after that, I'm setting my face using this Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder. Setting your face is very important, guys. I have taken loose powder in like over here. I have not taken that much, like only a little bit, as you guys can see. And like, do not step out of your house without setting your makeup, like it will like look very chalky and everything. I absolutely love this product, like how smoothly it gets melted into your skin, giving you a very like airbrushed kind of makeup. Like, can you see how flawless my makeup is looking? After that, I will do my eyebrows. I will not make it like look like boxy eyebrows. I will just make them little bit more presentable, because I feel eyebrows are very important and they give a frame and a dimension to your face, and it changes your full makeup game. This is what I feel. And for that, I'm using this Pro Face like makeup kit. Like, there are so many products in here again, so let me show you quickly. Using the color ash brown, this color I will be using to do my eyebrows, because like if I'm taking black, then it will become very black and it will not look natural and it will look very fake. I don't want that, so I will use this shade. I'm using this angular brush. I am taking some product. I start from the middle because I have so much product on my brush. So like if I start, like lots of product will get deposited at the start of my eyebrow, and I don't want that. So I use a little bit to fill in the brows and like gaps in my eyebrows, and then I will like वर्क ओवर है. इतना टाइम हो गया है, मैंने तो आईब्रोज ही नहीं बनवाई हैं. आई गेस मैंने मार्च में लास्ट आईब्रोज बनवाई थी, एंड आई एम स्टिल सो स्केयर टू गो आउटसाइड. इवन इफ मेरे लिए तो क्वारंटीन आई डोंट थिंक सो इस ईयर तक एंड होने वाला. आई एम नॉट गोइंग आउट एनीवेयर. So yes guys, so for my eyes, like my face base is done. So for my eyes, you can keep it like this also. You don't have to use any eyeshadow. Again, I feel eyeshadow like this works differently for everyone. Like some people like use one eyeshadow, some just use kajal, some use like one layer of thin layer of liner, and some people use like thin layer of like tight lining there, and like eyelid. And also again, it's a personal choice, but for me, what I feel for this no makeup look, and that is very beginners friendly. So what I will think that I will like use only one eyeshadow, and I will use kajal and very fine and thin line of eyeliner. I will take this little fluffy brush and I will use the color this. Look at the highlight of this eyeshadow, this palette. I have used this palette so much, guys, that you won't believe it. So yeah, I'm taking little bit of this, tapping off the excess, and then we'll apply a very thin layer on our eyes. So now like my eyeshadow is done and it's looking very natural, and I will go ahead with my kajal. So my kajal, as you guys all know, I think I should start using different products because like these are my go-to products. So yeah, kajal, and I will apply a very thin line like I usually do, or like you guys usually do. Like go with that instinct, because like we are keeping a no makeup look, so it looks like you have not applied much, but still yes, you are using makeup. So yeah, second thought, what I'm thinking, that I will not apply eyeliner. I'm just liking it, this like this looks. I'm using the no falsies in this makeup look. Again, like you guys know, I am not a falsy person. I get a little bit of headache. I will share a small tip with you. Like once you have applied the like mascara on your eyelashes, so once it's like you feel like there is very less product on this band, then what you can do, you can like brush your eyebrow with it. So instead of using any other product, like go with this one. So this is like a personal hack which I have been doing. Like try it out and let me know, guys, if this works for you, because this works for me. So let me know like if this is a good hack and it was helpful for you guys. So the next step, guys, is like last and next final step. I'm not bronzing, I'm not contouring, I'm not doing anything. Then your like I feel your cheeks should be very rosy and glowing and like very pinkish and everything. So yeah, it's important to create a coordinated look. Then apply a little bit of blush on your nose as well, little bit on forehead, on your full face. Yeah, and I am not taking highlighter because this blush already has a little bit of sheen to it, and plus as you guys like know that my base was good, my skin was already glowing, so it helped me. Can you guys see the shine? I don't know like if my camera is able to capture that or not, but like this is freaking amazing thing I created. So yeah, guys, like actually I'm using, I forgot to say that I'm using the same brush that came with this palette, like Profusion. For lipstick, I'm using Seven Heavens. What is the shade? Hazelnut. I recently started using this brand and I loved it. Like the formula and everything is very nice. So this is what the shade looks like. I'm going for a nude lip. I absolutely love the formula of this lipstick. So soft, because I don't like using matte lipstick. So yeah. So with this, we have completed our no makeup look, which looks very natural, and like we have used makeup, but it will look like that you have not used makeup, like, or you have used a very, like that is the case. We have only used so little products, like using just concealer, we have created our full face. Like this is crazy to me as well. So guys, this is the final look which I have created and I absolutely love it. You let me know how do you like this no makeup look for beginners using like not using foundation, and I absolutely love it. And let me know if you want me to make more videos like this, and like if you want to see a little bit of variation of this no makeup look, I think using only 2 or 3 products, I can do that as well. I already have an idea in my mind. So yeah guys, let me know, and please let me know what do you think about this look, because like I love it and I want to know like what do you guys feel about it. So yeah, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment in this on this video, because it will help me a lot and it will boost my channel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, that will mean a lot.